Jai Ma Durga to all viewers. Navratri Puja is going on, and now I am introducing a new topic, dance to trance, as I am using this in my yoga classes and I am getting a very good result. Entire universe is a cosmic dance. Each and every planet is in motion, but at the same time it is maintaining balance with each other planets because there is a perfect order and discipline among them. Now let me explain what is Durga. भूतानि दुर्गा भुवनानि दुर्गा स्त्रियो नरश्चापि पशुश्च दुर्गा यद्विधम दृश्यम खलु सैव दुर्गा दुर्गा स्वरूपात् परम न किंचित. Every soul is Durga. Every space is also Durga. Men, women, all are reflections of Durga. Whatever we see, that is also Durga. Durga is creation or existence. In other words, entire reflection of the cosmos is Durga. Our body is like a fort or Durga, and Durga is Chetna Shakti or power of sensitivity. Durga is called lover of dance. She is called Nritya Priya and Nritya Bhumi Rasi because she is sole controller of the entire universe and cause of all causes. Being sole controller of the cosmic dance and universe, she is called Nritya Priya and Nritya Bhumi Rasi. This is not confined to the universe only, but this dance is present in each and every atom. Rishis called it Yat Pinde Tat Brahmande. Now, we can see this dance is ingrained in our personality. A horoscope is also a reflection of this dance of these planets. Why music and dance is pleasing to us? Because this is our nature. In other words, truth is nothing but the voice of nature. Dance is more effective because it is audio visual both. Dance can transform your life because even after its observation, it rings into your ears and resound in the atmosphere. It is different from general listening. It is called emotional listening. It has got lasting emotional appeal to your senses. This can send you in a state of oblivion or a state of forgetfulness, which is called Yoga Dhyan or dynamic meditational stage. While performing prayer for my disciples, I use alpha and omega of dance language to make my prayer more effective, and I get this result also. For example, there is a verse in Durga, Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalni Durga Chama Shivadhatri Swaha Sudha Namostute. But with addition of this dance bowl, it becomes like that. Dhete dhete dhage tete krdhe tete dhage tete dhage na dha krtak dhom nana krtak. Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalani Durga Chama Shivadhatri Swaha Shudha Namostute. Dhrat dhete dhete dhana dha dhrat dhete dhete dhana dha dhrat dhete dhete dhana dha. So it becomes more effective. I think you are listening, and I think you will prefer with dance bowl. It appears that as if Durga has stood with her sword and to protect ourselves. Jai Ma Durga, Jai Ma Bhavani, Jai Ma Kali, and all blessing of Almighty to all of you. Thanks.